Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to the family. This is a place to be if you are considering changing your hairstyle and need some inspiration, because I'll be going to different barbershops to bring you different hairstyles. But as we're in lockdown here in the UK today, guys, I'm braving it and giving myself a haircut. Now I want to make this a little bit more of a tutorial. So guys, without further ado, let's get into it. Guys, I think we can agree that yes, I am looking a little bit scruffy, but I'm actually not looking that bad. I'm pretty sure in comparison to a lot of other people, you know, I'm pretty sure I'm not looking too bad. But first of all, guys, I really do appreciate the love that you show me. If you have not subscribed already, I'm trying to get my first 100 subscribers. So just make sure you click that subscribe button for me, and make sure you like this video as well if you are getting some value out of it. Now guys, what I'm trying to do here initially is basically create kind of like that skin fade, the lower bottom part to it. Now guys, I am not a barber. That kind of, I just want to get that clear to you guys so there's no confusion whatsoever. But you know, after giving my little brother a haircut, I thought, you know what, why not? I may as well just attempt it myself. And I'm using my beard trimmer there, and I'm trying to create that kind of that lower section, or the kind of like that lower skin fade. That's what I'm trying to do right now. Now, as you can see, you know, it's a little bit tricky, considering the fact that I'm trying to look at use the mirrors and everything else. But also, I'm trying to kind of like record this as well. You know, just bear in mind that no one else really helped me out with this. It was just me, you know, my trimmers and the mirrors and the camera. Just, you know, no one else. So, you know, that's what I'm trying to do. I think the back part was the hardest part to do. It's really not easy, but you know, it's all about getting your mirrors right. But what I would say, just make sure you actually have a good mirror in front of you and a good mirror at the back. Now it depends, because I was recording this as well. So it's a little bit different in my case, because you know, I had to record this, but normally, let's say if I didn't have to do that, and it was just me cutting my own hair, I think that it would have been a lot easier. Like I would not be holding my phone. Probably I'll be just either holding another mirror, or I'll be sitting somewhere a little bit more comfortable, you know, so I can see my, you know, the back of my neck properly and everything else. But here, what I was trying to do is basically just give you guys a little bit more of an angle, you know, to be able to see everything else. I don't, you know, because I felt like if I didn't show you guys what I was doing, I don't know, you know, whether you guys would be able to take anything away from it. Not gonna lie to you guys, this does take some time, so you have to be a little bit patient if you are planning to do this. It's not, you know, it's not something that you'll be able to do in about like 10 minutes. If you are kind of like just, you're having to do the entire skin fade, especially the fading does take quite some time, but it's lockdown, and I doubt, you know, a lot of you guys have much to do. So if you can spend some time teaching yourself some new skills, well, why not? And I think learning how to give yourself a haircut is one of them skills that could really come handy. Bloody hell, just look how clumsy I am. I used a 1.5 guard, and I also have a kind of like, that's a Phillips trimmer, you know. But yeah, so I've had that for a couple of years. It's just been sitting somewhere in the house until lockdown came about, and I was like, you know what, I need to do something with this. I need to start just cut my hair a little bit, so it was getting a little bit scruffy. So I used my little brother as a guinea pig. But yeah, what I'm trying to do here is basically try and start fading in that little kind of like that skin fade, so that our line doesn't show as much as anything else. Oh my god, I'm not gonna lie to you, this is kind of like painful watching this entire thing. You know, the entire ordeal is quite painful. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Oh my god, look at me trying to attempt to be, you know, I'm trying to pretend I'm a professional here. Let's be fair, guys. Who am I fooling? I'm definitely not a professional, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it is starting to look a little bit, you know, appealing. You know, like I could even stop right here, and you know, I will still look alright. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'll still look alright. But I'm just trying how, you know, make it a little bit more neater, by just tilting that kind of like that, you know, that trimmer a little bit on the edges a little bit, and just like, you know, if sometimes I go up, I kind of like push it away a little bit. But guys, without a doubt, I think my hair is looking alright, as you can see it. And now, of course, I'm not finished yet, but as you can see, there's still some areas, some sections that still need some tidying up. But I think I'll come back to that a little bit later. So I decided to start using kind of my beard trimmer to do kind of like a little shape up a little bit. Now, of course, I realize it's not the best thing, it's not the sharpest thing when it comes to kind of like doing, you know, doing a shape up. But you know what, you have to make the most of what you got, and you know, you can't look worse than you looked before, so why not? Guys, a little bit of gel is a must, you know. So in my case, I've been using the Contour moisturizing gel because it helps me kind of like maintain that natural look, and I've been using it for the last 2 years, and would I recommend it? Depending which kind of hairstyle you're going for and which kind of hair texture you got. But if you got kind of similar hair texture to mine, then yes, I would recommend it. You know, it doesn't require a lot, you just need to use it just a little bit, and it would do perfectly fine. Personally, I've been doing so for the last 2 years. So you know, if you do want to go check it out, just go on Amazon. That's where I got mine from. Boys, I'm not gonna lie to you, if you guys don't know what a sponge is, and I know some of you are watching like what's he doing with a sponge, you know what, just continue watching, because you'll find that our sponge does wonders. It's a simple thing, literally someone just looks at it, simple, but literally it just does wonders. And you know what, just stick around and just we'll see what it does at the end. Guys, look at me. With the moment I realized the toilet seat is open, I'm like, what's going on here? Guys, I'm not going to say anything about the final product, but do let me know in the comments what you guys think. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, because when I reach 100 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway. So make sure you subscribe to not miss out. Now guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, hasta la vista, my friends.